But today we're going to focus on working with one recipe and converting it into another, which is something I really love doing in my kitchen because it saves a hell of a lot of time, and also there are so many things you can do this with. So yeah, today's recipe came about because I had a little bit of a craving for some Mexican food. So I put together a recipe based from my mayonnaise recipe. I'm also going to show you how to make that today. So taking some of the ingredients out first for the mayonnaise and using the base as a way to make the sour cream. And this is what I came up with. To try it on the nachos. You can see it there, looking beautiful. So good. I say that every time, don't I? I wouldn't put it on YouTube if it wasn't good. Okay, so here is the mayonnaise, which you can see if I turn that upside down, it is going to not come out. I didn't actually have anything to put it on, but it is one of my favorite recipes. I don't always have it in my fridge, but I particularly like it. I do a really nice southern fried mock chicken burger, and like it has to have sweet chili and this mayonnaise, but it is good. And I'm just going to take a test so you know. Never was a huge fan of mayonnaise actually, but on burgers and certain things it's a necessity. So yeah, it's really good. Actually, no, you should not eat it straight from the tin like I am.